Welcome. Today we will explore the core functionality of the planning module to demonstrate how to build a highly efficient and scalable scheduling framework for your team.
Now that we have finalized the configuration for roles, departments, and employees, it's time to shift our focus to the core of the planning module, creating an efficient schedule for your team. If you missed the initial setup process, you can catch up by clicking the link to our previous video. Let's dive into Shift templates. Think of this as a blueprint for your operation. Navigate to the planning module, head into configuration, and select Shift templates. We will start by creating a template for the host role. Simply click New, define your start and end times, and assign the appropriate role. Once you enter the total duration of the working day, hit Save to finalize your blueprint. Now that we have a template in hand, let's use it to schedule our host. Click the New button, select Host preset we just created, and assign an employee as a resource. The role and company fields will auto-populate for efficiency. You also have the option here to link a sale order to the shift. Next, find the time frame for the shift. Since our host follows a consistent schedule from Tuesday through Saturday, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m., we can automate this process using the repeat feature. Simply toggle the repeat button, set frequency of every 1 day, and select the end date, in this case Saturday, May 9. Once the configuration is complete, you can choose to save the shift as a draft for further adjustments, or click Publish and Send. Publishing officially confirms the schedule and triggers an automated email notification to the employee.
Alex, what settings do we need in the employee profile to make sure their work hours are calculated correctly?
Within the employee profile under the Payroll tab, it's vital to ensure that the work entry source and working schedule are correctly defined. These parameters are essential, as they directly dictate the logic of your scheduling plan. Additionally, it's crucial to verify the time zone are set based on the employee physical work location.
Another question, how do we handle employees who don't have a fixed or consistent schedule, for example, a restaurant manager?
Navigate to the Payroll section and leave the working hours field empty. When this field is left blank, Odoo recognizes the employee as a working flexible hours, allowing for maximum flexibility in your planning.
And now you can build a highly efficient scheduling system that supports both consistent routines and flexible working hours. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more Odoo tips.